Hi guys and girls, just another wee quick video here. The kick panel sill sort of cover thing, this plastic bit here, obviously gets a battering with people getting in and out, dragging their feet over it and all sorts of stuff, especially on cars where people use them in the countryside and stuff like a lot of dirt, ingrained dirt. Now, you can clean them with, well, your normal cleaner would be like a multi-purpose cleaner or a degreaser or something like that. So we'll spray some of that on. Right, and then we can like agitate it with a cloth. So, and that'll get rid of sort of the surface, dirt on the surface. Right, this is quite a new car, so they're not too bad. Right, that looks good. Right. But you can buy a thing called a magic eraser, or basically a melamine sponge. I think that's how you say it. You can buy them on eBay or whatever. I'll put a link in the description at the bottom. You can see just as it dries there, you can start to see the dirt that's ingrained in it that's not come out with the normal cleaning stuff. Now what you do with the melamine, you can use them with water, but I use them with the cleaner. And so you would just spray that on as you normally would, and that's just a melamine. So basically, look at the dirt coming off of that already. Look, you couldn't really see that dirt a minute ago. It was always there though, because these get right into the edges and the grooves and the texture and the plastic. Now you can use these on your door panels, anything like that, and they're really good. Look at that. You need these in your life. See, that's what's left on it. Much cleaner. Ready to go out. You can put some dressing on them if you like, just to make them look better, but that's as clean as they're going to get. So if you want to clean them properly, you need a melamine sponge. Melamine, however you want to say it. Cheers, check out my other videos.